Okay, so trading is easy, trading is hard. Trading is a mixture of your understanding of your own psychology, but the truth is trading has nothing to do with your psychology or anything. Let me tell you the truth. From what I've realized, trading is simply buying and selling, and then you going up and down. It doesn't change anything. It doesn't move the market. It doesn't make the market pity you anymore, any better than or any more than it should. It doesn't even pity you at all in the first place. So trading is not psychology. Trading is skill. Basically, it's skill, knowledge, your ability to learn over time what has been happening in the market and your ability to analyze. So it's all about analysis and experience. That's what trading is. But this video is not about teaching you all those stuff. This video is all about my portfolio. A lot of you guys saw the last videos and you saw that, well, the account is back over the $10,000 mark. Some people might say probably he deposited into the account, but nah, it's a demo account. You know, to deposit is not hard. You just press the deposit button and it's there. But this account wasn't deposited into, right? This account was not deposited into. This account was traded back to 10,000. I was down 1% and we're back to equilibrium. And right here, if you can see, this is my demo account currently at $10.66 and $6.68 as of yesterday. If you watched the yesterday video where I analyzed the charts, obviously you would have seen that here. And how did I revive this account? Well, it's pretty simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up something called trade history, right? Trade history report. So this is my portfolio, and this portfolio you can see all the profits or the losses and everything I have done. In this portfolio, I have made a total gross of $297 on this account, and I've made a total loss of $280 on this account. I've paid $10 in swap. If you added that, I'd have been $16 up, but I paid $10 in swap. This is my demo account portfolio. You can see I take averagely two trades per week. My maximum drawdown is at 0.767%. I think that's 1 point, probably 1 point something percent. I'm thinking it's 1 point, but let's just say 0 point something. And my average holding time is 1 day and 24 hours. Right there, this alone tells you this person is not a scalper at all. Like I said, this account is not for scalping. And you can see my equity curve. This account has moved from $10,000 upon opening it December 16th last year, and currently it's at just $6.68 above. You can see we've taken this account up to 1% as at this point in time. This was as of 3rd of this month, 3rd of January, this year. We are taking it up to 1%, and then also the same January we went down 1%, so 2% basically. So that's minus the 1% we made, and then negative 1%, and then we went even lower, and then now we're back. My profits and losses, well, this is something I really want to analyze, like my profit and losses. And straight up from here, I just observed that on Tuesday I am a total loser. On Wednesdays, I am also a loser. In fact, I lose more on the Wednesdays. I seem to make more profits on the Thursdays and on Fridays based on this chart, right? And in terms of deals, right? In terms of deals, these are the profitable ones, these are the negative ones. In terms of money, these are the days I ended up with positive profits, positive gains from the market, days with negative gains from negative losses from the market. And all of this is already detailed before. You can see all my trades are manually placed, no robotic trades and no signal trades. My longs and shorts, well, I have taken a total of 18 moves in this account. 18, so 15 shorts and 3 longs, and 83% of my trades have been short in the market. You see, Short on 23rd, short on 2nd, short, so many short. The reds are short, the blues are longs. And then the lines are the number of trades. You can see 2 short trade, 2 short trades, 1 long trade, 1 long trade, 2 short trades again, 1 short, 2 shorts, 3 shorts, 1 short, 1 short. So they are hardly, I don't think I've ever taken long and shorts in the same day. And Wednesdays, so I only see long trades on Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturday, on Sunday nights. That's nice. 18 trades taken. My win trades. Okay, I've won 2 of the 18 of the 3 long trades I've made. Wow, that's a nice one. I've won 9 of the 15 short trades I took. I have 66.6 and 60% on both sides. Averagely 61% win rate. That's good record. That is good record. Trust me, it is a really good record. My average profit is 0.153%. My losses is bigger at 1. Okay, averagely, I will make a good percentage. Average profit is $15. No, 15.27. I don't know if that's like profit. I don't know what this means. But P&L, my average P&L is negative 92 cents. So it seems like I'm likely to lose 92 cents in every trade I put my hand into. That's a bad record. That's a very, very bad record. Well, my symbols, I haven't traded too many things. I've traded 18 currencies. That's a lot. And, well, 6 of them were Euro USD. And let's see. Oh, this is the line chart. So Euro USD seems to have been my most profitable thing, followed by GBP AUD. And then, what's this other one? Euro AUD. Okay, so I think I have 3 markets I should fall in love with right now. As of today, it's been 3 months since I started this thing, and in 3 months I found out that these 3 pairs are pairs that they've given me the best things I've ever done. Euro USD, GBP AUD, and this is New Zealand. Okay, I think, yeah, okay, New Zealand Swiss franc. So it means if I want to, take this a bit more seriously, I should do something like this. Where is it? I was watching YouTube videos. Of course, I'm a human being too, right? So it means I should majorly fall in love with Euro USD. Where is it? I don't think, okay, this is it. Euro USD, GBP AUD. But I think those 2 charts were just the charts I found a lot of openings last year. Basically, that's why they made it above my charts that big. But this is everything about my portfolio, right? This is everything about my portfolio, and this is the one part I want everybody to like really look at: the risk tolerance. So my risk is still a 0% drawdown personality. Wow, at 0% drawdown. Maybe that's why I've not made any money in this trading market. I am very risk averse. So I think we should start taking more risk in this market. But basically, right, this portfolio says that my worst drawdown is 0.076%, 7%, not even up to 1% risk. That's the maximum drawdown I've had. I think I will actually survive a profit account. It will take a longer time for me to make profits, but I think it's because I've not been trading often. So if I start trading often, I think that percentage is gonna blow up pretty fast. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be trading as often as possible. Allow me adjust something. I don't know if this is better, but I just adjusted the lights setting. But whatever it is, I hope it's just okay. But nevertheless, this video is almost over, and I'd like to say thank you for coming seeing my portfolio. For those of you who don't know how to get this, well, I'll show you right here. You open your MT5 or MT4. I use MT5. Let me go to this particular account. I'll need to log in. Okay, so we're in, and all you do is you just go to report, and you see it right there. You can decide to either do your analysis here, or you could export in HTML or PDF. So let me just get this in PDF for you guys. There it is in PDF, and then I want you guys to see what it looks like in PDF. It's also similar. So this is it in PDF format. It is nice, it is cool, still the same whole thing, and it's just okay, you know. It's basically the same thing, just in PDF format. And with this, I like to say thank you all for watching this video. I hope it was not too long and not a waste of your time, not a drag, but this is me putting out the reality right there. The next set of videos will be analysis and trades again, but for now, catch you all on another one. Peace.